Welcome to Parker Automotive. We have a 2010 Nissan Altima with a 2.5. It had ABS light with the VDC, traction control, slip lights all on, which are usually, and the TPMS, which is a tire pressure sensor. They do have one that is defective, and that's because they didn't buy Nissan ones and they bought these, I guess, aftermarket ones from online. They never last. They're actually only a year old and there's already an issue. That being said, we had a left rear speed sensor that wasn't activating. On this vehicle, it's separate from the wheel hub. A lot of newer vehicles, it's part of the wheel hub. This one actually happens to be separate from it. There is a resistance. This right here is ground operated. All it is ground and a positive from the ABS module. What happens is it delegates. It's a square waveform, and as the vehicle spins, that's how you receive your information, so you know how fast the vehicle's going. Anyway, that being said, this was a defective sensor. It was open. The circuit itself was open. What you do is you test these across to see if you have resistance in there, and it had none. Well, it had some, but not as much as it should. Okay, that being said, and I'm going to take the camera off of her when I come down here so I can show it to you. Okay, so let me grab a pick real quick. This is the end of the day. I'm trying to get this done. Anyway, so that being said, I'm going to bring underneath here so I can show you where else you can test that. Can't put the vehicle up real high right now, but on the back, this is where the new wheel speed sensor goes. Right here, it comes in and it bolts into the back of where the wheel hub is. Right here, this is the wheel hub. And to tell you the truth, I didn't check it. I just checked the wire to make sure that there was resistance, and there wasn't none, so it was open. So what you can do is you actually can pull this little cover off, and inside, I don't know if it can pick it up, inside where the wheel hub is, there's these little notches that go on the inside of the wheel hub. That's supposed to spin. This ring, this tone ring, is supposed to spin, and then the wheel sensor, which is right here where my finger's at, that's supposed to pick up the rhythm. Like you can see, it's actually a failed tone ring. Here, I'll rate about there. Is that good? Mm-hmm. The tone ring's not spinning, as you can see if you look at the ring itself. So it's frozen, it's rusted in there. So this is actually a failed. The hub bearing's good, but the tone ring, which is part of it, is bad. And I'll show you what a good one looks like. Come over. This is on the other side. And I'm not going to lie, I actually, let me just pop this off. I should have went a little bit further, but if you look inside here, can you see? If you come over this way, you see how the tone ring is turning with the hub. So that's it's picking up. On the other side, the hub bearing is good, but the tone ring is frozen on there. Now the problem with that is this customer was limited in funds, so he went with
13 months ago we bought the cheapest wheel hubs.
And that's why I try to explain to people.
We actually explained to him 13 months ago that he has a Nissan. He should buy Nissan parts. Yes. These cars are very sensitive when it comes to certain components and sensors, and he chose not to.
Right, and the bad part about this is we're dealing with most of these parts, at least on some distributors. These are the same parts that you buy on Amazon, or they're you know, they're sourced out. So what happens is they're not really made to last past the warranty.
Right,
So,
what we found was this part had a 1-year warranty and it lasted 13 months.
right, exactly.
So,
So, you know, you have to delegate your expenditures. To pull the hub bearing, is it worth changing it once a year?
so I guess you could ask yourself when purchasing parts, if it has a 1-year warranty, will it go bad in 1 year?
Right.
That's something to think about.
Right, is it a part on your vehicle that's seeing extensive amount is it hazardous? Meaning this is something that has to do with your wheels, and that being said means that it's going to be connected to the ground. There's road debris. The roads are very, in New Jersey anyway, they're not very good. So bottom line, this is just to show you to sometimes look a little further. I wasn't diligent. I did find something that was wrong, but there was also a two-part to this. So that being said, God bless you, God bless America, and thank you for watching.